Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how to integrate Pipedrive and OpenPhone contacts. So whenever you add a new contact in Pipedrive, that contact gets created in OpenPhone as well. For example, I'm adding here one contact. I click Save, and this contact will be created in a matter of seconds in OpenPhone. There you go. Hi there, I'm Andres. I work at Connex, and we are an automations agency. So we can help you and your company automate any of your workflows. Now, this is part 2 of the Pipedrive OpenPhone integration series. Check in the description below for the link to part 1. Today, I'm going to show you how to build this simple integration using Zapier. By the way, if you're considering OpenPhone for your company, look at the link in the description below to subscribe for OpenPhone. When you upgrade to a paid plan, you will get a 10% discount. Now, let's implement this. So we are going to open Zapier. So we are going to go into zapier.com. As it loads, we are going to click on Create Zap. Here, we are going to focus on the trigger and the action. When building automations on Zapier, we usually go with the formula, when this happens, do that. The when this happens part is mapped at the trigger level, and the do that is mapped in the action. So in English, we want to automate the workflow when there is a new person in Pipedrive, create a new contact in OpenPhone. So first, I'm going to click the trigger, and I'm going to look for Pipedrive. Okay, now the event we're looking for is related to a person. So let's look for person. There you go, a new person. Let's click continue, choose our account, click continue, and then hit test trigger. Zapier, what's trying to do here is trying to pull an existing record so we can have an idea of all the fields and custom fields that come together with this record. There you go. So it found a contact associated with this organization. And here's the name and the last name. And somewhere here, we should find the phone number. There you go. Now we want to use this information to create a contact in OpenPhone. So let's click continue with selected record and look for OpenPhone. There you go. It mapped OpenPhone on the workflow here. And the event we want to use is create or update contact. Continue. We connect our OpenPhone account, and then we map the fields coming from Pipedrive. We can start quickly with first name, and we use this search bar to look for first name, then last name again, company, it's called organization in Pipedrive, and then phone numbers. Oops, there you go. Now, if you scroll up, it's asking us for an ID. This is not mandatory, but it's worth reading here. What is this about? So this is a unique ID of the contact from the source. So this is an ID coming from Pipedrive. When set, OpenPhone will attempt to update an existing contact that matches this ID. If not set, a new contact will be created every time. So according to this description, it's worth adding some kind of ID. So if we do any change in Pipedrive, OpenPhone will try to match that exact person. So say we have a contact that changed its phone number. Well, we don't want to create a new contact in Pipedrive, but to update that contact phone number. Hopefully, Pipedrive provides us with a unique identifier. So if we click here, we can find that there is an ID associated to this person. I'm going to use that. Let's click continue and then test step. There you go. This created or updated an existing contact in OpenPhone. To make this work, I'm going to hit publish, and this will start working from this time moving forward. It's worth, it's a good practice to rename workflows so we don't forget what is this about. Boom, we did it. Now, my suggestion is to add a second workflow that will trigger not for a new person, but for updated person. So say you update the email address or the name or the phone contact information of a person in Pipedrive, you want to keep that in sync with OpenPhone. So I'm going to build a second workflow using updated person as the trigger. Let's go back to Zapier again. Let's click on Create and Zaps. Let's go to Trigger, look for Pipedrive. The event, this time, we're going to use updated person. Continue, choose our account, continue. And we can choose here the fields we are going to trigger this automation off of. Otherwise, if we don't select anything, this would trigger on any updates. So be it name, phone number, or email address. I will leave this open for now. But if you update often your contacts, you may want to filter on specific fields so you save on task consumption. I'm going to hit continue, test trigger, and I'm going to use this record to map the fields in OpenPhone. So I'm going to click continue with select record, look for OpenPhone, an event, create or update contact. Hit continue, continue, and then again, we're going to use the ID coming from Pipedrive. So this doesn't create a new contact, but update the existing one. There you go, first name. Hit test step. And if you don't get any errors, hit publish, and you are ready to go. This was simple enough, isn't it? Leave me a comment in the section below if you got stuck in any of these steps, or if you'd like to build a similar workflow. For example, if you are creating contacts in OpenPhone first, you want to build the opposite workflow where a new contact is created in Pipedrive after the contact was created in OpenPhone. Or maybe you are just using a different CRM, or you want to send a message every time you add a new contact in OpenPhone. I'm open to hear from you. Please leave a comment in the section below. Do you need help implementing this? There is a link in the section below where you can book a free discovery call with us so we can discuss about this or any workflows you want to build for your company. Cheers!